Hi. Where are you going?
I'm biking.
Biking. You biking. Trees here. Hold on. Wow, there's loads of trees here. Huge. Oh. This place. See ya. See ya, Eugene. This place. You want to walk? Yeah, you can walk here. Hi. We're here. You like it here? Huh? Mm. Yeah. You can push your bike. And mommy sit down your bike. Huh? Do you want me sit down there? And you can push me. Because I'm tired. Yeah? Yeah? You want me to sit down?
No.
See, mommy sit down.
Yes.
Okay. You turn. We can walk here. And we just leave the bike here, yeah? Or you want the bike pushing like that? Yeah? And we can walk here. Yeah. Yeah, you can walk over here. And then when you get tired, you can back to your bike, yeah? Yeah. Because bike is tired as well. Bike is tired. You want to watch there? We can see if there's a horses there. Yeah, be careful. Do it, we do it. Oops. Up. Go. Go. Oh, there's no horse. There's no horse this time, isn't it? Where's the horsey? There's no horse. We'll go there farther. We'll go farther. And then we'll see if there's a horse, yeah? Careful. Wait. Sit down. Wait. Okay. Mama's scared. Come on. We go farther. Wait for mommy. Oi. Wait for mommy. Look at me. Oi, not in there.
The tree.
Yes, there's a lot of trees. We can go farther. Yeah. Come on. You want to stay here? Huh? Huh? Do you want to stay here? Huh? Come on. Okay. You want to ride back? Okay. Get on your bike and then we go farther. Yeah? We want to walk. We're seeking you. We're chasing you. We're chasing Eugene. Ah, we're chasing Eugene. We're chasing Eugene. We're chasing Eugene. Careful.
I told.
You going?
No. No, don't.
Go. Push your bike then. Push your bike. Yeah. Yeah. That's it. There you go.
Oh no! You're trees.
Stuck. Come on. This way. Come on.
Let's take you guys, Mom.
Stuck. You stuck. Push it hard. Push. Push it hard. Oh, there's a stone in there. Okay. That's it.
Yay! I did it.
You did it.
It's free.
We'll see the horse. Oh, there's no horse, Eugene. There's no horse.
I do your car.
There's no horse this time. Where's horse gone?
Go.
Yeah. Oh, they might sleep. They might sleep this time.
I know.
I don't know.
Oh no! I should be that. Let's take. Oh, now it's. Hey, there's a whole sheep.
Yeah, there's no horse.
There's horse.
No horse. I don't know where's the horse. There's no cows. No horse. Oh, cows over there. It's far away from here.
Huh?
Mm-mm.
There you go.
Go.
Mom. Hi, Joey.
Hmm?
I'm
Coming back now.
I see.
We're going back now. Oops. You right? Push. Push it hard. Hello. Push it hard. Push. He's strong, Eugene.
Yes.
It's hard. Like that. There we go. There we go. Hello, he's struggling. Come on, push hard. Uh-oh.
There's only the India.
You want to get on now?
No, eat that.
You're not tired yet.
No,
You're tired. You want to get on and then mommy push you. Yeah?
no, a
You push.
Huh?
Okay. Push then. Oops, stuck. Turn left. That's good. Turn. Push. Push hard. Okay. Very good.
Mom.
Mm.
Every.
No, not that way. This way. This way back home. Yeah? Come on. Turn right. There we go. Okay. Push hard. You're tired now. You want to get on now? And mommy push you. Yeah? No. Ah. This is looks like Thomas's house. Snow horse. That's a cows. Yeah, I'll show you this phone. Look at my phone. See? You can see it here from here. Yeah. It's cows.
It's cows?
Yeah. There's loads.
Cows?
But it's far away from here. There's more. Look at that.
Wow,
See?
cows.
We can see from here. Mommy phone. Oh, I will put it back.
I
That's
cows.
it. Oh.
Whoa.
Mm?
I'm going.
You're going now? There's no horse this time. Last time there's a horses last time. Yeah, next time we'll see. Next time we'll come back here for the horses. Yeah? Okay. Going back now? Huh?
Mom, apple.
Hmm?
Apple.
You put?
Now, apple.
We. You mean we. Oops. Yes. Dugs. Eugene. Dug. Yes. Dug. Come on. Throw to mommy. Yes. Dugs. What is that? Dug. Yes. Dug. Dug. Oh, mommy. Mommy get for you. You need to like that. Oh. You got a lot. What the? And Oh. Let's go. It's alright. Why are you looking like that? Oh, not the stone. No. You're gonna hurt mommy if you throw that to me. Come on.
It's hard.
It's hard.
Yes,
Yeah,
it's
it's hard. You can't get that stone.
It's stuck.
Yeah, it's stuck.